My name's Amar, and today I'm here with Logan Games. He is back there doing his intro. Well, I'm here, stuck in the rain. And we are going to start a hide and seek challenge. This is a new series for hide and seek challenge in the rain. It's probably going to stop raining before we even start because it takes so long doing intros. But
get this started. Seeking first, as always.
I'm going to be seeking.
I want to switch it up. I'm going to be seeking first.
Okay, so he's going to be seeking.
So 5 boys. So I am seeking first, and she will be hiding first. Let's go.
Hold on.
Oh, well, never mind. Let's not. Let's go. Let's wait on this screw bag. That's right, guys. We're bringing back screw bag.
Oh my god, this looks
That's
stupid.
right, guys. We're bringing back screw bag. So, let's start counting. 3, 2, 1. Ready, go.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna hide. Guys, it's just stepped in a bunch of my new shoes. Okay, I'm gonna hide. Alright guys, we won that! We won it!
Back there. That is BS. That's not BS. That's a whole BS. Another half of a BS.
I won that round! Finally! You're walking by me like 5 times!
She finally got everything it does. So, let's go hide.
Guys, my camera is soaked right now.
I've been wiping off the camera.
Let's go. There we go.
Or is it your screen?
Yeah, it's my screen. It's also on the camera. I know some of you might be like, well, we don't see any water. Well, I can see it right now. Here.
There's a puddle and you can see the raindrops in it.
Alright. Alright, guys.
Alright, guys. Let's get our hide on. 3, 2, numero uno.
Let's count. Guys, I stepped in a freaking mud puddle. Look at my new shoes. These are new. Whatever, I'm at 25. 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. If you're not here, I come. Alright, guys. So, oh my god. Okay, so it's lightly sprinkling right now. And I don't want to step in more mud puddles because these are new shoes. And I'm a tomboy, like full out tomboy. But like my grandma is gonna get so mad at me because she bought these and there was a lot of money. Oh nope, don't step in there. Okay, so I'm stepping in more mud puddles. Okay, so I don't know. Found you. Hi.
Yeah, you had 1 second left.
Yeah! I'm so good at this today. I think it's raining on my luck right now.
Okay, guys, let's go count. So right now it is 1. That's dumb. It is 1. And you didn't do it right.
What?
I'm gonna have to track. I'm gonna have to long jump. I was just trying long jump. Okay. So, let's do it. And we made it like a.
No, you didn't. You went like. We made it like. Yes, you did. You weren't even near the water.
video evidence for one. You freaking screw back.
So do I. You had it on your point of view.
Do you want to go? You want me to take this case to Judge Big Booty? I will.
Yeah.
I will take this case to Judge Dude. That's what I thought. Let's go count, guys.
I said yep, not no. He's crazy.
I did not say go stand right here, son. Okay, guys. Uno, dos, tres, vámonos, go. 1, 2, why don't I say vámonos, go.
Alright guys, I'm gonna move this. Okay guys, I'm hiding behind the neighbor's trash can. See if we can find it. He found me!
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, let's go count.
It is 0. Vámonos.
Let's start counting. 1,
I didn't say go that time. I didn't say vámonos.
2, 3, 4. Update you guys in a while. Wait a minute, I counted to 39! Oh my god, guys, I counted to 39! I lost track, I was looking at myself. I was trying to adjust my clothing because it was really uncomfortable and it's really hot out here. Just because I'm out here. That's why it's hot out here, because I'm out here. Where is he? Okay. Wonder where he is. Hello. Oh, I think I know who he is. What? That was not 1 minute.
Let's go. That was 1 minute.
No, it was not.
Your time started when you got to 30. You counted to 39.
I'm sorry. Oh my god, that water looks like Donald Trump.
Oh my god, it's Donald Trump water. Okay, guys.
That's holy Donald Trump water.
Okay, guys, you have to show you something funny. You know all the different types of water. You got your smart water, you got Fiji water, you got tap water. You got your
You got holy water?
You got your holy water, you got your Aquafina water, okay? But here,
we have
only
organic Trump water.
Only in East Tennessee, we have the holy Donald Trump water.
And it's also over there.
Oh my god.
Look, that fence looks like Donald Trump. There's a Donald Trump fence.
Okay, guys, there's more Donald Trump water here.
There's Donald Trump rock,
down
too.
below if you want some. Give me your address and I'll send it to you. That sounded really creepy. So, if you want some, let me know. I'll send it to you.
He'll also murder you.
$5 for a pint. $5 a pint. Let's go count.
It should be like $100.
Oh, okay.
I've always wondered what was in here. Oh, well that's the problem.
Okay, guys, we are starting counting this.
Let's go.
Uno, vámonos. You did that.
Found me.
Okay, guys, we found her.
Because you were looking. I bet you were.
Let's go.
You were looking. Cheater.
Let's go. Oh wait, do it again. So look, look, she's such a screwbag. She can't even get up on the porch from there. Oh my god, she did it after the 5th try. So
No.
guys, let's go hide.
Got it.
What? Pause the recording.
No, I'm not going to pause recording.
But I'm gonna go eat and dinner's done. And then we'll finish.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video.
It's time.
So, alright guys, so this is the end of the video.
No, this is not the end of the video. We're gonna finish this.
But
Okay, guys.
Well, guys.
This is the last round. This is the last time someone will hide. So, take a seat and start counting.
Alright, so we're gonna
Let's
count.
go. And uno, dos, tres, vámonos.
Let's count, guys. Ready, now I come. Oh my god. You are so dumb. Look at this, guys.
Deep down, I'm all wet now. Thank you very much. So, okay.
Hey, look, there's Hillary. Oh my God! Donald Trump just died here.
Of these videos. So, I'm sorry about not recording over the weekends and uploading.
I recorded.
But,
Cause I'm good like that.
so that's the end of the video. So,
I want some Yeezys. I just want some Yeezys real bad. If any of you want to give me some Yeezys, please.
I already got 2 pairs of Yeezys. Not one.
Please.
I already got 2 pairs of Yeezys. Not 1, not 3, but 2.
Guys, please. I don't know what that means. Here, it's the dough. Please send me some Yeezys. Please. Alright, guys, so that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will try to get back to you. Not comment, and I'll try to get back to you. So, yeah, guys. So, I hope you have a great day, and peace out.